Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to Wake Up Wednesdays. So, wake up. How are you doing today? How's your week going? Just a special shout out for some key events that have been happening for all of us that have celebrated the Easter holiday. Happy Easter. And even if you don't celebrate the Easter holiday, April is all about the blooming of flowers and the start of new beginnings. So all of you have an opportunity to take a look at your plan, and whether you're executing against your plan, whether you haven't started, whether you're tracking against the execution of your plan, April is a great new time and Easter celebrates new beginnings. So happy new beginnings to all of you. If you're in the tri-state area like I am, and you experience the eclipse or the earthquake, well, that was pretty interesting, wasn't it? Where were you during the earthquake? Where were you during the eclipse? They also say that eclipses celebrate new beginnings. So cheers to you in celebrating new beginnings. I want to talk to you guys today about an article I posted in the group chat entitled, "Do you want your AI to be accelerated and less error and bias proof?" And if you've ever heard of a little company called Intel, Intel is a chip manufacturer, and they've been around for about 50, 55 years. They're one of the major players in the chip manufacturing space, if not the major player. And in 2023, they generated about 50 to 55 billion with a B in revenue. And what Intel has done is they've combined their computing power with a little company called Seeker. And what one of the things that Seeker and Pat Kondo, who's the CEO of Seeker, that they do is that they have a workflow, a software workflow in place for large language models for things like OpenAI to actually determine errors. And remember that AI is a little bit like our children. We have to teach them. So, whether you're a fan of Google's Bard or a fan of Microsoft's Copilot or a fan of Zoom's AI Companion, Microsoft Decisions, ChatGPT, all the different AI tools out there that are becoming very popular. This certainly is a collaboration that is exciting because it has the computing power to back up the large language model processing and an algorithm in place to determine the validity and give AI a trustworthy source. Remember that the AI is only as good as the information that's programmed or that's fed to it. So it creates a trusted collaboration. It gives everyone immediate access. It provides infrastructure and scalability, and it'll unlock opportunities for Intel and Seeker to have this joint collaboration. This provides a trusted and scalable source for AI on the cloud. So when we think about some of the AI tools that are out there that I mentioned earlier, and we think about trusted models on a large scale, this collaboration with Pat Kondo, the CEO of Seeker, and Intel, one of the power players, if not the largest chip manufacturer, is very important, and it's very exciting. If you are like me and you get excited about the field of AI, and what I'm so excited about is having a trusted source, having a trusted company that has a software workflow, having a company that's been around for over 50 years, develop and work on this. Sometimes AI models that folks will refer to as a hallucination, or they'll use different words like that. And I'm certainly not the AI expert, and I don't claim to be. But these are more sophisticated ways of saying that either we don't understand why it did what it did, or it made an error. So having a system in place where you combine cloud-based on the Tiber cloud, cloud-based computing infrastructure, an absolute powerhouse with a reliable and trusted source like Seeker is a very exciting opportunity because not all AI is created equal. So hope that you get an opportunity to access this, to read about it, to use AI to better help your business or your product or your project. And welcome again to Wake Up Wednesdays. So wake up, and please feel free to let me know what you think, and let's keep the dialogue going. Thank you guys and have a great day.